Hey guys, it's your girl AMALOVELYY here, and I'm back with another friggin' video. Oh my god, so you guys already know this routine, okay? I do it in all my tutorials, so I don't gotta explain this again, okay? So now I'm just gonna go in with New Yorker, and put on my brow bone. And then I'm gonna go in with 1988. I really like 1988. 1988 is really pretty. Like, it's like a nice rich brown, and like it's perfect. And I see a lot of people watching my videos and no one is subscribing and liking. So please, just if you have reached this far, please click that like button, subscribe to my channel, okay? We have more videos to come this year. Lots and lots more. Love you. Mwah. Okay, so it's time for adding BK all over my lid. And yes, we about to smoke this eye look, you guys. I kind of took my time. If you guys see the way I'm applying it, like I kind of went with my lid and I kind of left a little bit of space so we can like smoke out the black properly. At this point, I kind of felt like the black wasn't too black. It was kind of giving me like a navy, not even a navy, like a washed up black. So I kind of ended up going in with the Anastasia Sultry palette in the color Noir. And you guys see the difference? Like, yeah. So I ended up going in with Yugo. And now it's time to really like blend out the black and even this whole smoked out look. So I went in between the little space I left, and I'm just evenly, oh my gosh, Tracy, I'm just now smoking it out and looking back in the mirror. Do you guys see that blend? Yeah, that blend is looking so beautiful. Ugh. I was like, yes. So now I'm gonna go in with Milk's Hydro Grip Primer. That's how it looks. Add some to the face. It has a little tackiness, just a little bit, but trust me, it does the magic. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation in chocolate, and I'm gonna kind of mix my NARS Benares. The e.l.f. one is pretty much cheaper. Like the NARS foundation price is like 65 bucks, and the e.l.f. one is like 8 bucks. So you can't really go wrong with this foundation, seriously. I don't even remember if I told you guys where I got this foundation, but I actually got it from Walmart. You can pick it up at your local Walmart. And back in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in Honey. But I also bought this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer 165 Deep Tan. And it looks like this. It's really light, so I'm gonna kind of put like the L'Oreal one first and then add the Milani one. Now I'm gonna go in with the Milani one so you guys wish me luck, because this is pretty new. Yo, first off, let me tell you about this concealer, okay? Do you guys see the coverage? You know what, my next tutorial, I'm just gonna try it without, I'm just gonna try it alone. Yeah, because this coverage wasn't even making sense to me. Beautiful. So I'm gonna bronze first. My Fenty bronzer in Mocha Mommy. This bronzer is bomb. Like, you guys, I love this bronzer so much. That's how it looks. Yes, pick up your hair to blend with small. This is how you cake your face. And also scare people. You look a little crazy, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, you guys. It's all good. Just dust it off. So now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm just gonna mist the face. I did my liner and eyelashes off camera. We about to get a snatched face, okay? I think I'm feeling for some white under eye again. Just one more time, just a little bit of it. Just a little bit, you know, can't go wrong with this. So I'm just gonna add the NYX retractable white liner. Just a bit of it to my eye. Continue with the AMREZY palette with a color that will diffuse it. So I'm gonna kind of go in with this one right here. I'm gonna kind of go in with 1988. Now we're gonna go in with the Cheeks Blush Volume 1 palette. I think I'll go in with Abby because it's a nice deep dark plum. That's how this blush looks like to me. So I would add that. Oh boy, just for me to explain one blush was a problem. But look at the color of this blush, you guys. Super pretty. It just looks so nice and rich. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm just gonna add a bit of that. Is to kind of like, you guys see the difference? To kind of like clean it up a bit. And I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Gold Deposit. Now, some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not know that this highlighter too as well has been my go-to from back in the day. I don't want to apply too much of that. Like, you see how I'm already like beaming for the gods? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. That's how you shine on demo. And for the lips, I'm gonna go in again with Kat Von D's Crufix lip liner. Now I'm gonna go in with NYX Lingerie's Lippy and Teddy. This is like probably one of my favorite browns ever. So you guys, that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is the last of the AMREZY palette, okay? We are done. Like, this palette is so much fun. You get to create so much pretty, as I said before, party vibes, like going out vibes, like day party vibes, beach vibes. Like, I just get that out of this palette. So congrats to you, AMREZY. This palette is bomb. I'll definitely be dibbling and dabbling into this palette right here. And if you guys didn't get your hands on one, your girl AMALOVELYY said grab one because this is a vibe. Let me know what this look gives you and where would you take this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.